Hello friends, welcome back to Sankaran's Genuine Take. I create honest and non-sponsored product reviews on multiple platforms like lifestyle, fashion, home, living, sport and extra. So the product I review here is the product I have purchased on my own, also tested and used, which means simply no promotions. Also, if you are tired of some kind of a biased reviews outside and if you're looking for some honest advice, so you are at the right place guys, don't worry. So let's directly jump into the review part. Friends, this is the Samsung TV, the home screen I am showing currently. So you see a lot of icons we can configure in the home page itself. So once you install it, right, you can drag and drop into the home screen button for a quick navigation purpose. So you can configure any app you want. Okay, so likewise I have configured it, and as you see, these are the Samsung default TVs. So these are the free TVs, you can watch it. You don't need to pay any money. Okay, so in the app loading, so you can see all the apps in the Samsung TV. So once you click the apps, so you can see all the categories of apps in it. So let's go one by one to see what and all apps we have. Okay, so you see all the categories we have. So this is the music and radio, so you can find all related music and videos, example Ghana. So this is the Ghana app I am currently using for a music and radio. And apps to kill, mostly I do not prefer to use, and this one also I do not use. But Smart Life, I have installed a gallery. So education, I have not installed anything useful for me. Maybe if you found useful, you can install it. So the information categories, even I do not install anything. So the lifestyle also, there is a bundle of things, and game I have downloaded few of the games one or two times and played it. Not a graphically good, but the basic games I can say. Okay, and this is the sport, like a sports channels, and this is the video category. You can find all the players, video players and everything. So friends, let's see about the settings in the Samsung TV. So once click the settings button, list of settings will be open. This is the picture related settings you can change, and sound related settings you can change, and broadcast related settings, and general accessibility, network related settings, and software update related settings, and some terms and conditions you can go through it. There are some guides, and this is the Wi-Fi. I have connected it. It's a 5G Wi-Fi, and picture mode, sound mode, and sound output. Whether you want to output will be like some speaker or some headphone, so we can configure it here. So once you enable the Bluetooth listed devices will be appear, so you can choose it and configure it to listen your audio, the TV audio. Okay, so these all are the settings I can say. So friends, let's see some sample pictures. So currently I am playing one of the video to see how the picture quality to you. But since I recorded this video in my Canon camera, so based on their settings this video got recorded. But if you see your bare eyes, you can really observe the details and the picture quality in the TV. So I could really say I am really satisfied with this picture quality. So friends, in this TV there is the internet browser app is there by default, provided by Tizen OS Samsung. So in this browser you can search anything, you can navigate to any website, and you can see a lot of things. Also you can play the video also. Friends, sometimes I have a habit to check the weathers in the TV also. Mostly I am checking in my mobile, but sometimes I do check the weather in the TV while playing the movies. So you can configure this location, that's the customizable one. Sometimes I want to play all my mobile videos in the big picture of the TV. So I use this webcaster video to connect from TV to mobile to play all the videos. Friends, there is a one feature like you can connect your PC, laptop or any personal computers to the TV. So there is the app called PC on TV by default provided by Tizen. You see the Windows PC, Mac PC, Samsung mobile phones, everything you can connect it using this app. Friends, if your remote is not working or got missed, but you don't need to worry. There's an app called Smart Things. You can still able to control your TV via this app. Smart Things, you can download it from the Samsung Play Store. So after you downloaded it, you need to properly link your TV. So there is the device called TV. You need to select the category and it will search your nearby TV, and you need to properly link it. So once you properly link it, the TV will be registered and get added. So once you open it, you can turn off your TV also. You can go back, go to your next video. Same like the normal remote, you can do all the things. One extra additional thing is in the remote, it will be little hard to type your keywords, but here in the mobile you can simply type, same like the message chat, right? You can do the type. Similarly, you can type everything here to search the keyword. And also there's an option like we can mirror the things. There are some options in the app like we can mirror your mobile screen, and also there is a smart view in the Samsung phones. So if you enable it, your mobile screen will be mirrored to your TV. Similarly guys, you can mirror your YouTube also. There's a typecast settings. So you can mirror your mobile YouTube to your TV. So whatever you play in your mobile, it will be visible in the TV itself. So they have provided one smart remote by Samsung. This is very less number of keys compared to the olden days of remotes. You can quickly go back and navigate, and you can go to the home, and there are quick buttons like go to Netflix, Prime videos, and go to the browser www. Let's see more specifications about the product. So this is the Samsung 43-inch Crystal 4K series Ultra HD TV. It comes with a 1-year warranty from the Samsung, and there are some return policies are there from the Samsung. So I have given the product link, you can go through it. And special features like smart remote, and it comes with the mirroring options, tab view, Crystal processor 4K, and Tizen OS. It supported all the available latest apps in it. So you don't need to worry. And so other details you can go through it. So it comes with 1-year warranty as I told earlier. So this is like this is the dimension, resolution, and it is the aspect ratio of 16:9. The RAM is for 1.5 GB, internal memory is 8 GB, supported image type is JPEG, and there are 2 speakers and Dolby Atmos environment. It supported the video format of AVI MP4, and supported Wi-Fi, USB, HDMI port and everything. Also it supports the Bluetooth. So the power consumption is 20 watts, and so in the box, right, there are 2 table stand, 1 LED TV, 1 user manual. There is a warranty card in it. So this is the black color, and the voltage is 240 volts. Audio input is auxiliary kind of mic, you can plug it. The hardware interface is USB or either HDMI. So the cable is they given 1.5 meters of cables. So friends, as I told earlier, this is the 20 watts power consumption of TV, and it comes with the 4K Ultra HD picture quality. So if you compare by other TV series or the olden TVs, you can really observe the difference between the picture qualities. And also it comes with some Crystal 4K processor. And there are some sound qualities, like it comes with the 2 speakers. Also if you play the sounds with 70 or 80 volumes, you can observe the bass and other sound qualities in it. and I have already explained to you like PC on TV, some additional features are there, so that's what they have represented here. And billion true colors, which means a lot of billion colors it will support the original colors. Many other smart TVs also supports this 1 billion colors. Similarly, like Samsung also they are supporting it.
So friends, what I really love about the Samsung 4K series TV is the first point is the picture quality. Suppose if you really observe, suppose if you go to the Discovery channels, if you observe the animals and other details, you can really observe the things, the picture quality, the color and also in-depth details of the picture. It's nice compared to other TV series in the market. And the second point is the service. Suppose if you need any service, there is a Samsung toll free number, just to do dial, so they will directly come to your home and help you out. Suppose if you have a warranty, so they will give the service free of cost. Otherwise you need to additionally pay some amount of money from your pocket. And third point is what I love, since it's the smart TV, the connectivity and accessibility is nice. Like say example, Bluetooth connectivity from your mobile or any device. Also you can do the mirroring from your mobile, also you can do the mirroring from your PC. There's a cast is there, so you can do the casting from your mobile. So these smart features are totally nice. I do not see any issues till today. And the fourth point I really love about is the remote. So remote, you see the very less number of keys compared to the olden days of remotes. Also there are two type of remotes in the market for this Samsung. One is a normal remote, so whenever you need to do some search, you need to manually type it from your remote. That is bit of a tedious process. And the second one is the voice command remote. So you can simply speak and it will directly search it. So this product I have brought is, it's a non voice command one, the normal one. So after purchasing only I have realized like better to purchase the voice command one. It's very convenient and time saving one. So these are the things I really love about this Samsung TV, guys. What I see the improvement and dissatisfied about this Samsung TV is the Dyson wires. So since it's the default OS by the Samsung, so whatever the app they have provided by default, so those apps only you can able to install and starting using it. Not like the other Android TVs, whatever the Android apps in the market, so you cannot download it from the Play Store and start using it. So not like that. So these default apps provided by Samsung only, those apps only you can able to use it. And the second point what I see, the remote. So I suppose if you are a very rough user and if you fall multiple times, it will definitely broke and you need to do the purchase. Even the purchasing also around it cost 1500 to 2000 rupees, the original one. So I have replaced 2 to 3 times of the remote because of in my family there is a kid, so he do throw sometimes. So if you are a rough user, it will, you need to replace it for some time. And the third one is the price aspect. The price is a bit high, what I feels like. Usually the price range of this TV is 28,000 to 3132. Suppose if there is any offers and deal time is going on, so better to purchase during that time to save some kind of around 2500 to 3000 rupees. You can definitely save it, yeah. So finally I could say this product is best suitable for the person who is looking for all the smart features and trustable brand one. So you can definitely go ahead and purchase the Samsung 4K series Ultra HD one. Friends, if you found this product reviews very helpful and useful to you, so please do subscribe the channel. Also I have given the product link and other collection details in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. Also if you have any questions and clarifications related to this product, so please comment down, so I will try to address as soon as possible. So again we will meet with the another good product review. Until then, bye from Sankaran. Stay positive, stay healthy. Cheers.